Welcome to our SodaStream Terra Showdown. Today we're diving into a comparison between two popular sparkling water makers, the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle and the SodaStream Terra Soda Streaming Machine Starter Kit. We'll look at their features, pricing, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're a sparkling water enthusiast or just looking for a convenient way to enjoy bubbly drinks at home, this video will help you make an informed choice. When it comes to pricing, the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle is priced at $149 United States dollars, while the starter kit is more budget-friendly at $89 United States dollars. This significant price difference can influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a more economical option. The bundle includes additional items like CO2, DWS bottles, and Bubly drops flavors, which may justify the higher price for some users. The SodaStream Terra bundle comes with a comprehensive package including CO2, dishwasher-safe bottles, and a variety of Bubly drops flavors, making it a complete solution for sparkling water lovers. In contrast, the starter kit includes just the CO2 and a Bubly drop, which may be sufficient for casual users but lacks the extras that enhance the experience. This is an important consideration if you want to get the most out of your sparkling water maker. Both products are designed with eco-friendliness in mind, eliminating the need for single-use plastic bottles. The starter kit emphasizes its eco-friendly design with no batteries required, making it a sustainable choice. The bundle also supports this eco-conscious approach while offering additional features that enhance its usability. Choosing either option contributes to reducing plastic waste, but the bundle may offer more convenience for those who want a complete package. In conclusion, both the SodaStream Terra Sparkling Water Maker Bundle and the Starter Kit have their unique advantages. The bundle offers a more comprehensive package with additional items, while the Starter Kit is a great budget-friendly option for those who want to try out sparkling water making. We hope this comparison has helped you in making your decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.